I'm delighted to have been joined now by Kathryn Grayson, star of so many wonderful music in the 50s, all those lovely musicals from Hollywood. But Miss Grayson, what are you doing in London at the moment?
I'm here. I'm doing a concert tour with Tony Martin.
Whereabouts are you going? All over
Well, I will be at the Dominion Theatre, April the 15th.
What sort of things are you singing?
Everything from opera to soft rock, and of course there'll be the things I've sung in films.
Tell me about some of those early films. I'm thinking of Kiss Me Kate and Showboat with Howard Keel.
Oh yes, Howard Keel, Mario Lanza, Frank Sinatra, Gene Kelly, Gordon McRae.
What were they like?
We were talking the other day and saying how very fortunate we were having lived in an era that was so perfectly a fairy tale era, really.
What was it like, that fairy tale?
A dream. It was just beautiful. I don't think that will exist in the same way again.